If you're a solopreneur, you're not just busy. You're the marketing team, sales team, operation manager, content creator, and customer support rep. The only way to do all of that without burning out is letting AI handle the heavy lifting. In this tutorial, we'll be breaking down the 8 best AI tools for solopreneurs. Tools that help you plan your day, automate boring tasks, create content faster, and actually make more money from your ideas. We'll go from number 8 to number 1, and I'll show you where each tool fits into your business and who it's best for. At number 8, we have Gamma AI. Gamma is an AI presentation and document builder that can turn a simple prompt or outline into a full presentation, document, or lightweight website in under a minute. I would consider it best for solopreneurs who regularly need client decks, offers overviews, mini pitch pages or PDFs, and don't want to wrestle with PowerPoint or Google Slides. What it helps with? It turns a short prompt or text into a working slide deck or document, restyle the entire presentation with one click, also export to PowerPoint, Google Slide, or share as a link online. And it matters to solopreneurs because you can go from idea to presentation or one-pager same day without a designer. I would say it is best fit for coaches, consultants, and service providers who present often and want to look polished without spending hours designing slides. And by the way, the pricing for Gamma can start off for completely free, and their paid plan begins at $10 and it can go up to $100. And at number 7, we have Canva. Canva is a design platform that now includes strong AI assistant for layouts, copy, and images, ideal when you are a one-person content and design team. I would say it is best for solopreneurs who need a constant stream of social posts, thumbnails, ads, and lead magnets, and simple brand assets. It is helpful to generate or rework designs with AI suggestions, create social media graphics, PDFs, flyers, and thumbnails quickly. You can also use templates for everything basically, as you can see right here. They offer numerous features. Keep in mind, any one of the templates that you see with a crown, you will need to go onto their paid plan. But there are numerous options that you can use for completely free. And I would say it is best fit for creators, course sellers, e-commerce founders, and anyone who needs a lot of visuals but doesn't want Photoshop level complexity. At number 6, we have Perplexity AI. Perplexity is an AI research engine that gives you cited answers to questions, pulling from web sources, docs, and more, like a research-optimized Google Plus AI combo. And I would consider it best for solopreneurs who spend a lot of time researching markets, competitors, ideas, content topics, and how-to info. And the pricing starts off at completely free, and you can go onto their pro plan for $20 per month, and it can go up to $200 per month depending on the amount of features that you want. And Perplexity would be a good option for anyone who wants to be data informed, not just vibes informed, but doesn't have time for deep manual research. Number 5, we have Notion AI. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion AI adds writing, summarization, and planning features on top of that. It can help you draft content, summarize notes, and generate tasks from messy ideas. I would consider it best for solopreneurs who want a single place for ideas, SOPs, content plans, project notes, and a simple CRM with AI layered on top. It helps you to turn brainstorming notes into clean documents, task lists or outlines, summarize meeting notes, calls, or research pages, also generate drafts of blog posts, scripts, emails, and checklists inside your workspace. And the pricing, you can get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $12 and it can go up to $24. And I think Notion is best fit for strategic, idea-heavy solopreneurs who want a living HQ for their business with AI help built in. At number 4, we have Motion. Motion is an AI-powered calendar and task manager that automatically builds your schedule by placing tasks into open time blocks and reshuffling as priorities change. It is best fit for solopreneurs juggling client work, content creation, admin, and life who struggle to decide what to work on next. With Motion, you'll get help to add tasks with deadlines. Motion automatically schedules them into your calendar, rebuilds your day when things change, meetings added, tasks moved, or priorities updated. Also protects deep work blocks so you actually move big projects forward. And if we were to check out the pricing of Motion, you can see right here that you can get started for as low as $29 per month, and it can go up to $49 per month. At number 3, we have Zapier. Zapier connects your tools and automates workflows, and I would consider it best for solopreneurs who are tired of repetitive tasks like copy-pasting leads, sending follow-up emails, tagging contacts, and updating sheets. It helps you to automatically send follow-up emails when someone fills a form, use AI steps to rewrite messages, categorize leads, or extract key fields from text. Also sync data between tools, for example, website, email list, or CRM and project tool. And this would be a good option for anyone who already uses multiple tools and wants AI-powered glue to run the machine in the background. And with Zapier, while you can get started for free, as you can see right here, their paid option starts off at $19 per month and it can go up to $69 per month. At number 2, we have ClickUp. ClickUp is a work management platform. Think tasks, projects, docs, and dashboards. And I would consider it best for solopreneurs who want a single hub for projects, tasks, docs, and SOPs and reporting, with AI helping them stay on top of everything. With ClickUp, you can use the Brain Assistant to summarize tasks, docs, and comment trends so you can catch up fast. You can also create tasks, docs, and subtasks using AI. For example, you can turn a meeting note into an action list. You can also set up pre-built or custom autopilot agents that act when things change in your workspace, for example, update statuses and send summaries. And I would say it is a good option for solopreneurs. Instead of scattered tools, you can run client projects, personal tasks, and internal processes in one place. And AI helps you stay organized and not just work faster. It's surface. And at number 1, we have System.io. And by the way, with ClickUp, you can get started for completely free, as they actually offer a free forever option, and their paid plan begins at $10 per month. And I'll be leaving a link in the description which you can use to sign up. And at number 1, we have System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform with funnels, email marketing, automation, courses, and memberships. And I would consider it best for solopreneurs who want one tool to build funnels and landing pages, capture leads and send email sequences, sell digital products, services, or memberships, and run automations and affiliate programs. And when it comes onto System.io, the reason why System.io is number 1 on my list is all the other tools help you think, plan, create, and automate. System.io is where you actually turn that work into revenue, leads, sales, and recurring income. And for a one-person business, having funnels, email, courses, and affiliates in one dashboard means way less complexity. And I would consider System.io best for coaches, creators, consultants, and digital product sellers who want to launch and scale offers without juggling 5 different marketing tools. And if we were to check out the pricing of System.io, you can see right here that their monthly plan begins at $17 and it can go up to $97, but they offer a free forever option. And again, I'll be leaving a link in the description which you can use to sign up. And if I were to quickly summarize, when it comes onto Gamma AI, I would say it is best for decks and docs so you can pitch and present fast, while Canva on the other hand offers visuals, thumbnails, PDFs, and posts without a designer, and Perplexity AI offers research engine for fast-cited answers and market insights, while Notion AI on the other hand is your second brain for notes, SOPs, content, and planning, and Motion AI offers an AI calendar that schedules your day and protects deep work, while Zapier AI offers automation that glues all your tools together with AI steps. And with ClickUp, you'll be getting ClickUp Brain, so Work Hub plus AI agents to organize projects, tasks, and docs. And number one on our list is System.io, which is an all-in-one funnel, email, and selling engine for solopreneurs. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.